How's it going, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, what? It's
Come
not
on,
like
bro. I'm listening.
doing
Don't worry about
a
me over
YouTube
here.
right now or something, you know. Alright, let me try this again. How's it going, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Come on, bro. I'm your backup in case something
You are
happens.
seriously unbelievable
in case
right
you drink too much tea or drink
Something
too
like
much
what?
water. All right,
now.
fine.
Ooh, coming from the guy who
Roll
has a
the
cup in his
intro.
hand. Man, get out of here. Whew, I am glad he's gone and he left his tea over here, and I'm gonna take a sip. Ooh, he knows his tea, by the way. But anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kenneth, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna give you guys a proper intro for my channel. I'm gonna talk to you guys on where did I grow up, what do I do, the places I've traveled, and maybe some clips. And yeah, guys, so let's get right into it.
Ready to rumble!
So first, I am half Filipino and half American. And to all my Filipino friends and family out there, kamusta na kayo dyan? And yeah, guys, I spent about, actually, I lived in the Philippines about 18 years. And here's a picture of my family. Yep, I have a big family. So I have 4 sisters, 3 brothers, and 2 loving parents. And yeah, I think that picture is about 8 years old now, and it's due for an update. So fast forward, here's a picture of me when I got to the States when I was 18 years old. Look at me, just so happy in that picture, so happy, so thrilled to achieve, that boy's dream. Yeah, it's funny looking back at all these pictures. And then a year later after that, I joined the Air Force, and that's when I became a part of a bigger community, bigger than myself. And joining the Air Force was the best decision of my life so far, and it helped me tremendously to travel the world, and pretty much my goal was just to get my education. Since I've joined the service, I've probably been to about 27 different countries all over the world. And here are a few of my favorites. So this is a picture of me in Paris, picture of me in London, and here's a clip from my friend and I's road trip to Scotland. Check this out, guys. Yeah, I was debating to remove that or not, but whatever, who cares. And this is a clip of me choosing my favorite chocolates in Belgium. And of course, enjoying the canals of Amsterdam with a good old friend.
Check it out, bro! Workout! Hell workout! Oh man, let's hope we don't crash into that.
And here's a clip between me and my friends hanging out in the northern part of the Philippines and just having fun with some sand dunes. And yeah, I'm also a diver, and I've seen the beautiful waters of Okinawa, the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, and the beautiful coral formations of the Great Barrier Reefs. And oh, I forgot one thing, of course, the most epic that I've ever done in my life is, of course, skydiving, and here's a clip from it. Yeah, that was pretty intense. And yeah, from all those, yeah, I've been really grateful and blessed. And that's why I'm always, in a good mood and trying to, share my experiences with other people. Currently, I'm taking my MBA. I just finished my bachelor's in business about a year and a half ago. And I'm hoping to finish my master's by 2020. And by the way, these are all paid by the Air Force. So why did I start a YouTube channel? So first, I really like the idea of recording and saving memories, you know, because this reminds me of the time you can't really get back, and I want a video or a series of videos that will enable me to look back on all the things that I did, the beautiful memories I shared with my friends and family and whatnot. I also wanted to influence and motivate my viewers to do their best in every way possible, and yeah, just share your stories with the camera. And YouTubers like Peter, Maddie, and the Dope Squad really inspired me to be creative. As you guys can see from like my B-rolls and whatnot, I got that inspiration from them. And hustlers like Gary Vaynerchuk and Casey Neistat definitely helps keep me motivated and going. So yeah, those guys are really important to me when it comes to the YouTube community. So yeah guys, if you have any more questions with regards to traveling, the military, or just college in general, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. And speaking of, I got more travels coming up this year and it's gonna be epic. And yeah, I cannot wait to share it with you guys and, you know, vlog while I'm there. And it's gonna be really exciting for this year. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. And guys, before I forget, and yeah, I would like to greet every mother out there and all the mothers to be happy Mother's Day. And yeah guys, thank you for all that you do. And yeah, love you mom, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway.